Are you a fresh graduate aspiring to be a part of the corporate sector? Are you a professional struggling to take your career to the next level? Do you want to understand and master the behavioral skills and what it takes to up-level your performance in the career ladder? Do you want to know the success framework of mindset, strategies, tools, techniques, and action from an experienced HR professional and an internationally trained career and performance coach? If your answer is yes, then you are at the right channel. Hey Radiant Change Makers, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great and staying safe. And for those of you who are new to my channel, a big hello. My name is Razia Khatun. This video today is intentionally made as a self-introduction and what is in it for you in my channel and what content you will be consuming from my videos. And towards the end of my video, I will be sharing one bonus right key, so stay tuned and keep watching my video till the end. It is a well understood fact that regardless of the technical expertise or niche you are having, behavioral skills or soft skills play a major role in your career performance and your success in the career ladder. Therefore, my videos will be focusing on three key subjects that will definitely help you grow in your career ladder. Number one, it will focus on your behavioral skills, on your resume building skills, interview skills, personality development, image building, your communication skills, work-life balance, and alike. Number two, on advanced English that is basically used in the corporate sector. I will be speaking in English, I will be giving you lectures in English, but yes, मुझे हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छे से आती है and if you want, मैं उसको अच्छे से हिंदी में भी explain कर सकती हूँ. And the third one is about mindset, about your motivation, about your empowerment and how you will uplift your spirit to do the best. And yes, I will be posting videos for all of you on a weekly basis, so don't forget to hit that notification icon. And I believe that since you have watched my video till now, I make sense to you, you can relate to what I am saying to you. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really motivate me to make more useful videos for all of you. So now, something about me. My name is Razia Khatun and I have a bachelor's degree in psychology and I'm a gold medalist in MBA. By experience and profession, I am a full-time HR professional having 18 plus years of experience into various HR functions and various HR roles in Indian and overseas market. I am a certified NLP practitioner, a certified Six Sigma black belt, and a career and a performance coach. Now something about my story and why I started educating others, or better said, my younger self. My first interview as an intern was a complete disaster, and I'm not shy to tell you this. Well, a 2-month internship program during the summer break was a mandatory part of my 2-year MBA program. I had applied in various companies and luckily, quite fortunately, I got a call from one of my dream companies. I was so exhilarated. I prepared myself for the interview, dressed up well and reached the venue. I was so mesmerized. You can understand the glamour of the corporate sector and the airlines company. The lobby in itself spoke volumes about the company. However, I tried to muster courage and tried to stay calm. But gradually as I waited and I saw the other interns going one by one for the interview, my confidence was just trying to sway away. Just imagine my situation when I was invited into the boardroom by the panel and the panel asked me to be comfortable, sit down, and they asked me the normal question, how are you? And my answer was, out of panic, I'm pursuing a master's program. Luckily, the panel was intelligent enough and they understood my nervousness and they assigned me to the best mentor. But that was actually a moment of truth for me. And I started to work on my behavioral skills. And those 2 months of my committed internship program helped me to get my first job in the same company. I will definitely make a nice video, an informative video on how to be a successful intern and how to manage getting the job in the same company. Fortunately, I gained my core HR experience while working for companies in different phases, such as I worked with a company which underwent acquisition. I worked for a company which was completely in its startup. I worked with established companies with high management. I have seen the success stories of professionals. I have seen people failing working upon their incompetencies and then rising again. And I have successfully worked into various HR roles through the employee life cycle, right from when they are hired, onboarded, till they retire from the company. So what is in it for you in my videos? I will act as a bridge builder for you. I will handhold you and take you virtually through this experience from my HR insights, from my corporate experience, so that you attain success in a shorter span of time. And why this expertise is important? Because this is coming from my lessons learned, my practical experiences, and not derived just from books. And one bonus right key for all of you today is write down your immediate, short-term and long-term goals in a diary or a journal. Start working on your immediate goals. When you start working on your immediate goals, keep this in mind. If not you, then who? If not here, then where? If not now, then when? So that's it in my self-introduction video for today. Write in the comment box below which out of these 3 subjects are most appropriate for you in your career ladder at this point of time. And yes, do not forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And share this video with your family and friends, because everybody should be together, learning together and shaping up their careers in this education journey. Take care. Bye-bye.